Today we're going to show how to replace the docking connector on a iHome radio. This particular model is IA5. First thing you want to do is flip it over, and you want to remove the 6 Phillips head screws from each of the 6 locations here. And you'll flip it over, and you'll want to get a flat knife, a butter knife, or any flat metal that you can pry underneath the home button, so that face can be removed and you can have access to the insides. The next step will be to remove this connector and fish it through this wire retainer so that this whole rear assembly can be removed. Okay, now we're ready to remove the back cover. First we have to disconnect this wire connector and lay that on its face. Set that aside. The next step, there's 3 screws that you have to remove. Here's the first one. Here's the second one, and the third one is right down in the middle, down in here. So let me remove those. Now the front face can be removed. The objective is to get this connector off, which is attached with this ribbon cable down to the main printed circuit board. There are 3 screws that we need to remove for that connector. You want to set the screws aside in groups, because as you can see there's so far 3 different sizes of screws, and we want to put them back in the same size screws. Now we've got that connector, and the next step is to remove the ribbon cable from the printed circuit board. You want to pay attention that when you put the new one in, that the new ribbon cable has the printing facing outboard of the printed circuit board. So you just take Gently tug on the ribbon cable, pull it out, set that one aside, take the new connector, fish it through cable retainer, push it firmly down in the connector on the printed circuit board, and then just reverse installing the connector and reverse the same sequence that we did in the disassembly.